This Thyme bunny ear cake topper is an easy way to dress up a cake for Easter. You're going to start by cutting floral wire. The length will vary depending on the size of your cake and how tall you'd like the bunny ears to be. This cake that I'm using is a smaller cake, and I cut my floral wire about 11.5 inches long. I cut 2 pieces and twisted them together just to make the ears a little stronger. Next, shape the wire into a bunny ear and twist the bottoms together, making sure you have a long enough end to stick into the cake. You can hold up the ear next to the cake to make sure it's the size you'd like. The shape of the ear doesn't have to be perfect. You can reshape it a little as you're putting the thyme stems on. Cut some smaller pieces of floral wire to use to attach the thyme with. Find the pieces of thyme that fit best with your bunny ear shape. Some of my thyme stems were slightly curved at the top, so they worked perfectly for this. Attach the thyme stem to the wire bunny ear using the smaller pieces of floral wire, securing it in a couple of places. Repeat the process and make a second bunny ear. Stick the ears into the cake, and if you'd like, you can decorate the base of the cake with additional thyme stems. And that's it. Such an easy, cute way to turn a simple store-bought or homemade cake into an Easter cake.